Gonna get to know me a little bit more on this video. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I decided that I wanted to get unready with you all tonight. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I was like, okay, I got my makeup on. Let me take it off, show you guys my nighttime routine, and we could chit chat a little bit. To make this a video a little bit more juicy, I'm also going to be doing the TMI tag. So I found this tag online and I'm like, all right, let me just incorporate this into the video. You know, how many skincare videos can I do? Okay, using the same products. So I wanted to make this a little bit more interesting. Yes, you see a girl has oily skin. This is the life that chose me, okay? I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. So we're gonna be doing it oily girl routine style, all right? So you know, if this is your first time watching Labit, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications so that you never miss an upload. And you know, like 85% of you guys that are watching my videos are not subscribed. I'm like trying to figure out why. You love the videos. I know you keep coming back. Just subscribe to your girl. We just hit 5K. Let's get to 6K. Okay, let's keep building. Tell your friends. All right, let's go. Just take care of my edges a little bit. So let's put that headband right there. And I think this probably will be my thumbnail. I'm trying to really step it up with my thumbnail game so that you guys keep clicking on these videos. You know, you subscribe, you put your bell on for notification, and then like if you miss all of that, when you see that thumbnail, you're gonna be like, ooh, Imani just posted a new video. Yes, that's how I want you to be. Gonna get to know me a little bit more on this video. The first thing that I usually do is put my lashes back into the case. This is how you ensure that you know which side is left and which side is right. That's like number one. And then also, you're not missing one side of your lashes. That used to happen to me a lot, where I'm just like, damn, I can't find the other side of this lash. But if they're both sitting in the case, then you never have that problem. Secondly, I want to talk to you guys about the cleansing milk from Clarins. So y'all already know that I love a double cleanse, okay? Double cleanse is life. So we're gonna be using this as the first step of our double cleanse. Like usually I would use an oil. That is my, you know, first cleanse or pre-cleanse of choice, because like most of your makeup is oil based and water cleansers are not gonna get that off. So you wanna get that oil to break down the oil in your makeup. Now, the cleansing milk that I got from Clarins, they actually sent this to me for review, and I was very intrigued by this because I use oils, right? But I've never heard of a cleansing milk. This is the first time I'm hearing about this, and this is actually not a new product. Like I went onto YouTube and 6 years ago people were reviewing this. I think even 9 years ago I saw somebody reviewing this. So you know, Clarins is an older brand. They're coming out with products and they're targeting a younger audience, because I think generally Clarins is like, they cater more to mature skin, in my opinion. I could be wrong, check me if I'm wrong, but I feel like now they're like marketing to younger people, and their products are pretty good. Like I have a mask from them that I actually really like. So when I saw this, something that I've never tried before, I was like, okay, let me get on this. So this one has gentian, moringa, anti-pollution, and it's for a combination or oily skin. I also watched a review where the girl was like, I don't know how to use the product. Like you have all these words on the back, but you don't tell me how to use it. So basically they said rich in plant extracts, this creamy milk cleanser removes makeup and purifies the skin. Learn more about Clarins' cleansing method on our website. So I went to their YouTube to see what this cleansing method was about, and also, you know, I have a little brief here on how to use it. So I'm gonna tell you how they say you should use it, and then I will show you how I'm gonna use it, you know, because of trial and error. So first of all, you need to put some onto your hands and warm it up to your body temperature. Then you need to place the surface of your hands on your face and neck to distribute the product. So they kind of just want you to like place it. Then you need to press flat hands on face and neck, then release as quickly as possible. So you just want to go like that. This is also what I saw in the demo. Then you want to repeat 7 times. The cleansing milk will thicken and suction away makeup and impurities without irritating or disturbing the tissue. Rinse off or tissue off. So, you know, obviously Clarins really caters to older audience. We don't want wrinkles and all that. So they don't want you to be tugging at your skin and doing all this other stuff. But okay, see, this is not going to work for me. So I tried to do it last night. Nothing was suctioning. Ain't nobody got time for all of that. All right, I'm just gonna use this how I usually do. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to, you know, squirt some out into my hand. I am going to warm it up. I like that little tip. And then what I'm gonna do is just massage. I don't know if y'all could see, but like my liner is already off. I got a little bit in my eye. But what I liked about this too is that it doesn't burn. It's like making my eye a little cloudy because you know there's oil in here, but it's not burning my eye. Because I like to use an emulsifying oil cleanser. And you know, of course, that has some type of surfactant in it. And it burns your eyes, man. This does not burn, so I can appreciate that. Okay, so I'm like really going in and like massaging, giving myself a mini massage. But basically it got all of my like eye makeup off. I like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a clean washcloth and I just have like a bowl of water right here because I didn't want to go into my bathroom to do this. And I'm just going to towel that off gently. Do y'all see how easy that was? My skin actually feels like moisturized. I know some people don't like when like oil cleansers leave a film on their skin. Personally, you know, this is like the first step. So for me, so I don't care if it leaves a film on my skin. What I don't like is when it leaves your skin very dry. I don't like that. So this didn't do that. Right? I want to make sure I get my hairline. I know I put that headband over it. But yeah, this basically got most of my makeup off. This water that is in front of me is super brown because I had on a lot of foundation today. And usually when I wear makeup, you know, I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I rarely do like no makeup. Like when I do my makeup, I do my makeup. You know, I can actually appreciate this product. And I think just using it like you would use an oil cleanser is like the best way to go. And so I just want to do a little demo. Let me use a wipe to see what's left on my face. Okay, I think you might see some, you know, from my hairline and stuff. I just want to show you guys that I've gotten like most of my makeup off. I'll turn my light down all the way down so that you could see this wipe. So this is what is on the wipe. Not bad. I don't think this is bad at all because first of all, this is my first step. So I really like this. I feel like also this may help to dissolve your like sunscreens and stuff. So even if you didn't wear makeup during the day, but you did have your sunscreen on and you're ready to like take the day off, I feel like this will be a good cleanser and you probably wouldn't even need to double cleanse, you know, to be honest. Like in the nighttime, if you didn't wear makeup, I feel like you could use this alone and then just go in with your toner. Like I really like it. I like the way that it smells. It retails for $33 and you get 7 ounces. Then I'm gonna go in my next cleanser, the Soy Face Cleanser from Fresh. That is my second cleanse. Now that we're done with the rinse out products, let's get into the question. I'm not gonna answer all the questions. I'm gonna just answer the ones I want to. So, are you like your zodiac sign suggests that you should be? Yes. Oh my god, I am a Libra. I'm actually on the cusp of Libra. My birthday is September 23rd. A lot of them say that Libra start on the 24th and I'm like, hell no. Libra starts on the 23rd of September and I am so indecisive. That's like one big thing of a Libra because you know you're like the scales and you could go either way and that is me. Like it's really hard for me to make a decision, especially when it comes to like food. Oh my god, if we have to go out, Travis is just like, all right, I'm choosing. That's it. If he has to ask me to make a choice, we're gonna be there all night. At what age did you have your first kiss? I think I was like 13 and it was in high school. It was like my first year of high school. It was okay. The guy was kind of like pushing his tongue down my throat and I was like, is this how it's supposed to be? I'm not sure about this. I am not sure about this. So I'm just gonna be popping up what I'm using on the screen as I go so that we can continue with the questions. Next one. At what age did you have your first crush? I think my first crush was like in kindergarten. Why did we know about crushes in kindergarten? I don't even know. I think his name was Dominic. Was his name Dominic? Or was it this guy? His name is right on the tip of my tongue. I can't remember his name, but there was another guy that I liked too who went to my same preschool. I don't even know why I know that. But like my first real crush was Quincy. Oh my god, Quincy, if you're watching this video, cup his eyes. But yeah, our families were very close, and you know, they had other plans for us, okay? We didn't end up there. You all know Travis is my husband. But yeah, Quincy was like my first crush, like, you know, as a kid, I guess, like in primary school. Moving on. Do you hate anyone right now? Hate is such a strong word. I rarely hate people. I don't think there's anyone that I hate. Wow, I feel like I need to think about that a little harder. Do I hate anybody? No, I strongly dislike people. I wouldn't want anyone to hate me, so I am all about the golden rule, you know, do unto others as you would like them to do unto you. So I try not to use that word, and I don't think there's anyone that I hate. Not only that, I have a very bad memory. So if I once hated you, who knows what's going on now? Do you have any hiding piercings? If yes, where? Listen, I was young and naive and I got my belly button pierced. My sister strongly deterred me from doing so, and with my fast self, I went and I got this belly button piercing. And for a while, I thought I was a hot girl. I do hot shit. Okay, and then that shit got infected. It was like during the summertime, so it got infected. It was pussy. I had to take it out, and then when I took it out, what happened? Growing flesh. I have growing flesh, okay, and I should have known better than to get a freaking piercing. And my sister already told me don't do it. Like, she said it was gonna get infected, and it did. And now I have a big plum. That's what we call it, keloid, on my belly button that is growing. It used to be really small, y'all. Now it is big. It's big. I mean, it's not that big. Travis kind of makes me feel like it's bigger than it is, but it's really not that big. But I mean, it's growing. I've been referred to a dermatologist about it so that perhaps I could get it removed or just see what my options are, because it looks kind of weird and I don't know, like, if it's cancerous, you know, things like that. You have to get them checked, and I really have not checked on it. So good thing I'm doing this video, because it's reminding me that I need to go and check on it. Do you have any tattoos? No, I don't have any tattoos, but I really want to get one. But my Libra tendencies are coming in, like, what should it be? Like, what would I get a tattoo of? You know, that's something that I'm gonna have for the rest of my life. It's a hard one. At first, me and my bestie Tiara, when we went to California, we were like, okay, let's get tattoos, let's get matching tattoos. We could get like hearts, you know, on our like hands. Now she already has tattoos. I think she has like 10 or more. She has some big ones, you know, like she has a big flower, like she has tattoos. So I was like, oh my gosh, I want to get a tattoo with you. And when we went to California, they wanted to charge us $50 per tattoo for like a little heart, a hollow heart, y'all. We were like, no way, like we're not doing that. So I don't have any, but I kind of want to get one. Do you miss anyone right now? Yes, I like deeply miss my parents. I miss my mom and my dad. They live in Tobago, and you know, this whole quarantine thing, like once it's okay to travel, I want to go to Tobago. That's like the first place that I want to go to, because I like need to see my family. I really do. I miss them so much. I miss my niece. You know, she lives in Trinidad with my sister. My aunt lives in Trinidad, you know. I really want to go home. All right, I'm just gonna answer like 2 more questions and then it's time for bed. Have you ever cried over a lover? Yes. Yes. I'm like a very emotional person. I am always crying. Like, I cry at the drop of a hat. All right, like I could be laughing and I end up crying. Like, that's how serious it is. So crying over a lover, yes. Like any breakup I've had, whether I've been the one doing the breakup or not, like I always cry because it's just so sad, you know, not to be with someone anymore. Even if you're probably not in love with them anymore, it's just like you have, you know, the familiarity of like knowing the person. You kind of like grow to really like them as a person. So like to not have them in your life anymore, it sucks. So yes. Y'all, I'm just scrolling through these questions like, what? I'm not answering that. So the last question is, how tall are you? I am 5'9", okay? I'm so happy to be 5'9". I feel like 5'9" is short. My elder sister is 6 feet tall. My other sister right before me is 5'11". My mom is 5'10". Me and my sister Dana are the ones who are at 5'9", and I'm like, oh my god, we're so short. So when people see me, they're always like, oh, you're tall. And I'm like, no, I'm short. Like, I'm short in my family. I wish I was taller, but you know, we thank God for our little blessings, for his little mercies. I could put on a little 4-inch heel and be at 6 feet, okay? And be the glamazon, the stallion that I am. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you got to know a little bit more about me. You know, glass skin on deck. Everything else that I use will be in the description box. I really like this product, which you can't even see because my lights, but I like it. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's the.beat on Instagram and the Beat Inc on Facebook. There is where all the magic happens, okay? You could find me in real time. I love talking on stories. You know, I feel like I'm a little bit more interactive over on my Instagram, but I'm trying to, you know, catch up over here on YouTube. Definitely let me know what else you would like to see. I have a couple videos coming, so I'm trying to really churn it out for you guys. I hope you're like enjoying the consistency and enjoying the content. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe, like do all of the above. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.